Hey there, I'm Adrienne Lindeen, and I am one of the co-founders of Beach Boss Influencers. And in today's training, I'm going to talk about 5 business hacks for busy moms to get fast results, okay? So, how many of you watching on top of a job and a business, maybe that you're, or a business that you're running, you also have a family, you have kids, no matter what the age, right, or season of life that you're in, right? Toddler to elementary to tweens to teenagers, high school, even those in colleges, right? Or whether you care for aging parents of your own. Life is busy, and the thought of building your business can seem unimaginable, right? With all the noise that's going on, not to mention kind of the crazy world that we're living in right now. Okay. My point is, it can be a lot and it can seem overwhelming for you to actually get traction in that business that you have all these goals to achieve with it, right? Trust me, I totally get it. I have 2 kids of my own who are almost 11 and 13 and are involved in all the things: church, choir, band, media publications, school sports, outside school sports. Plus, my husband and I also play in both tennis leagues and golf leagues here, and we lead a busy life ourselves. We coach our kids in sports and their teams. We're very involved, but guess what? I still managed to build a 6-figure business, retire myself from a teaching career, from a high school assistant principal career, and then move and build a multiple 7-figure business. Okay. And here's the thing, we all have the same 24 hours. But what I found is that we don't all manage it the same. Trust me, I know. I was one of those who just went along with that rat race each day with no plan, wondering why my business never grew. Okay. It never grew like I wanted it to grow. Okay. It grew very sporadically. I mean, I was able to get some customers. I was able to get a few people besides my mom to enroll as my business partner. Okay. But I assure you, it can be done. And I'm going to give you 5 hacks here on how you can do just that. Okay. So, the first thing is you need to identify how much time you have each day to dedicate to your business. So I want you to, and I am a, paper and pen kind of gal. So I want you to get out a paper, create a calendar of 30 days, right? Or print out a calendar, whatever that looks like. And I want you to put everything on it that is your schedule, okay? Whether that's when you're, at work, kids schedule, all that stuff. And you need to start identifying those pockets of your day where you can dedicate time to your business, okay? Whether it's 30 minutes here, an hour there, however much you happen to put into it. But you first need to know, okay? Then the second thing is, okay, hack number 2 is plan ahead for busy days, busy weekends. And they didn't have this around when I was building my business on social media, right? Where I was doing it with live video. But if I could record my videos and then stream them live, okay, record ahead of time, stream them live, this would have been so much simpler to master, okay? And that would be mastering consistency, right? But if you don't have a plan, right, your day and life is going to run you, and your business is going to be put up on the shelf. It's going to be the last thing on the list of things to get to. And you're going to be stuck and frustrated, wondering why your business isn't where you want it to be, right? Well, I wanted to recruit 5 new business team members this month and 10 customers. And here I am, and I'm already 20 days in and I haven't done anything, right? Because you keep saying, okay, tomorrow, I'll post tomorrow, I'll do something tomorrow, right? Guilty, been there. Okay, that's just how come I know. I put these things into action. Okay, I did them, and it created me a very successful business. All right, so plan ahead for your busy days, weekends. If you are supposed to post on this Saturday and you know you're going to be out all day, or you're going to be busy, or you're supposed to go live to your audience, right? Plan ahead. Know what you're going to post. Know what it is that you're going to talk about. Either record it ahead of time and stream it, or figure out what time in that day you're going to get it done. But you got to get it done, okay? Number 3 is focus on growing your network a little each day, all right? But it has to be every day, not 3 days a week, okay? Not 4 days a week, but every day, okay? Now, I'm not talking about, going for the big run here. Okay, this is how you manage it with what you have to work with. Okay, this is simple as adding and connecting, adding new friends, okay, connecting with them, whether it's you're engaging on their stuff, you're sending them messages, you're engaging in their stories, okay, with at least 2 to 3 people a day. Very, very manageable. Okay, very manageable. That literally takes you 5 minutes to friend those people, right? And a few more minutes to go and engage on a couple people's stuff, right? Very doable. Now, tip number 4, show up consistently. That is the key to this winning this entire game of building your business, is mastering consistency on social media every single day for 2 purposes, right? Not just because, right? Oh, just you're supposed to post. No, post with intention, but because it gives you exposure, it gives you visibility. There is a lot of information, okay? A lot of news, a lot of things happening in people's life, right? Politics, all the things that are happening in this noisy world that are in people's news feeds every single day. So if you're visible, if they see you, whether it's your stories or a post or a live video, right? They see you somewhere every single day. It's going to help you get traction in your business, right? They're seeing you all the time. They're going to check you out, right? They're going to start noticing, start engaging, right? That's how the influence starts to build. And it helps the algorithm. That's the second thing. The more you post, the further and further reach, okay? The more people are going to see your stuff, okay? So you're mastering 2 things there with consistency. You're getting visible, you're getting exposure, and because of the algorithm, okay? And tip number 5, focus on video marketing, okay? Live videos, stories, reels, TikToks, okay? People are into this micro content right now, and people love to consume content in video, right? You can build influence faster that way. And live video is still the number 1 reason. You can connect faster to people in a video versus a picture. You can't tell or hear someone's voice, can't tell how their personality is, right? When you are looking at an image. So videos, let people get to know who you are, share parts about your life, right? Share what you're passionate about, share the benefits of your products and the benefits of building a business and the lifestyle, okay? So I hope those 5 tips helped. I'm going to run through them real quick for you. That's identify. Number 1 is identify how much time you have each day to dedicate to your business. Number 2, plan ahead for busy days and weekends. Number 3, focus on growing your network a little bit each day, okay? Show up consistently on social media every single day. That's tip number 4. And number 5 is focus on video marketing. Live videos first, okay? Stories, reels, TikTok, okay? Micro content, so we call it. I hope that this training was valuable for you. For more ways to grow a thriving business on social media while managing all the crazy busy mom life stuff, grab our social influencer formula in the description of this video, where we show you how to crush your business in 3 simple steps.